The 2019 Porsche Cayenne has been overhauled from front to back and now looks to some extent like the 911 than any time in recent memory. Power from each accessible motor has been expanded and there's another Cayenne E-Hybrid, which replaces a year ago's E-Hybrid. Porsche has likewise figured out how to influence the Cayenne to a not exactly the earlier year. Outstanding form quality is wherever you look in the new Cayenne. Front travelers appreciate abundant space and it's unquestionably a decent place to invest hours in the driver's seat, regardless of how or where you're driving. The inside is overwhelmed by a 12.3-inch touchscreen show, and the instrument board has not one but rather two 7-inch screens. Porsche has bet everything, making the Cayenne stand out amongst the most innovatively propelled SUVs available.